Hi there, hi guys, welcome back. Welcome back with the last puzzle of today. In today's newspaper on Monday, October the 10th, 2022. In this additional, we have already solved three puzzles: the 3-star Sudoku, the 4-star Sudoku, the binary, and now it's time for the Tectonic with 4 stars. Is this really a 4 stars? We don't know. In Dutch, they call it cipher block. In Japanese, Suguru. And this will be number 5309. 5309. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 11 printed digits. Could be in a hard one, could be an easy one, but the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. So yeah, could be a hard one. But for a 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit, 30 minutes or more. Alright. Is this really a 4 stars? We don't know. So let's get started. Alright. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes, because the single box is always a 1. Here single box, there single box. Always a 1. Dual boxes, do we have dual boxes here? I see here one dual box. The second dual box contains the 1 and the 2. Well, I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. Here also 1 and a 2. I need more information to fill those numbers, but let me mark those 2 numbers, 2 boxes. Triple boxes. Here we have a triple box. Contains the 1 and 2 and the 3. Well, those 2 boxes can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. So the other 2 numbers should be the 1 and the 2, 1 and the 2. But when you see a triple box, remember that the inside box, the box near the middle box, is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5. Okay. Triple box. More triple boxes. No. Quadra boxes then. I see here 1 quadra box. Contains the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4. Well, these 2 boxes can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this quadra box for numbers 1 and the 2. 1 and the 2. We have a 1 there. So no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. Alright. More quadra boxes. No quadra boxes. Then the following step. The following strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures, or constructions. For example, the T shape. Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1. So 1 digit left in this triple box for number 2. Okay. And also, that box has the same number as this box. So in this case, it's a 2. Alright. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright. Only one T shape. Then the following shape. How about this L shape? Oh, that L shape. Let me draw this L shape then. Let me draw this L shape. When you see this kind of shape, the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. Alright. So this box has the same number as that box. Here, another L shape. So this box has the same number as that box. Okay. Here another L shape. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 1. Alright. More L shapes? No. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, Remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 or a 2. Do you have more? No. Then the final shape, I believe this shape is the final shape. Let me do this here. Okay. This final shape, let me put it here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. Alright, so this box has the same name as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4 shapes. Maximum of 6, but not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, you only have to know these 4 kind of shapes to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. But also that box can be a 1. We have a double 1 there, double 2 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So 1 digit left, 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Now we have a 1 here. This box can't be a 1 anymore. So that box should be a 1. Alright. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So the 1 could be here or could be there. If I place the 1 here, then those 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. But also those 2 boxes can be a 1 because we have a double 1 there. And I need a 1 in this area. So it's not a solution to place the 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be there. Alright. Okay. Then. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2. That box can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 2 there. That means that that box can't be a 2 anymore. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 supposed to be here and the 1 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. Those 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 2 boxes can be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Alright. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 4 and 5. Let me mark those 4 and 5. 4 and 5. Okay. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. Alright. Let me think. This box can be a 3. That box can be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. That means that this box can't be a 3 anymore because we have a double 3 there. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 3 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 2. That box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. I need a 1 in this area. Need a 1. Well, this box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. So we have a pair now, the 4 and the 5. Let me mark those 4 and the 5. Okay. This box can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that this box can't be a 1 anymore. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 1 here. That means that this box cannot be a 1 anymore. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So it's not a solution to place the 1 there. The 1 supposed to be here. Alright. Okay. These are 3 boxes. Surround the 3 can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 4 and 5, 4 and 5. And this box is connected with that box, should be also 4 and 5. Alright. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1. Should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4 and a 5. We have a double 4 there and double 5 there. Yes, definitely a 2. Alright. This box is also connected with that box. Should be also 4 and a 5. Not the 3, but we already have a 4 there. So it can't be a 4 anymore. This box should be a 5. Is connected with that box should be also a 5. Is connected also with that box should be also a 5. 1 box left in this L-shaped area for number 4. Alright. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 4 and 3. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 4 it goes there. Alright. Yeah. Well. This box can be a 2. That box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here and the 4 goes and there. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 2 and 4. Let me mark those 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. Okay. Then. These are 3 boxes. Surround the 2 can be a 2. But also those 2 boxes can be 2. We have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this W area shape should be here. Okay, this box can be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. 45, okay. These 2 boxes can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So these 2 boxes can be 1, but also that box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area, and should be there. Well, this box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be a 4. We have a double 4 there. So 1 digit left should be the 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. Let me mark those 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Yeah. These 2 boxes can be a 5. That box can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Well, these 2 boxes can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. And I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes here. And these 2 boxes can be, oh wait, I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. And I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 4. We already have a 5 there, so this should be a 4. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely 5. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. 4 and a 5, we have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 4 and a 5. Well, we have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Then I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 4. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 2. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 3 and the 5. Let me mark those 3 and the 5, 3 and 5. Alright. Okay, and now. Let me think. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1, should be a 2, can be 3 or a 4. We have a double 3 there, double 4 there, and can be a 5. Yes, definitely 2. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 1. 3 and a 1. We have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here. And a 3 goes there. 3 and a 4. We have a 3 now. So no 3 there. 3 should be here. And a 4 goes there. These two boxes can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. This box can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. So now we have a pair. The 1 and the 2. 1 and the 2. 1 and a 2, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 2 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, so we also have 2. 1 box left in this dual box for the number 1. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. Let me mark those 2 and 4, 2 and 4. And this box is connected with that box. So we have 2 and 4, but we already have a 2 there. So it can't be 2 anymore. This box should be a 4. Is connected with that box, so we also have 4. 1 box left in this area for number 2. 3 and 4. 3 and 5. Well, need to wait. How about those two missing numbers? 1, the 2 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 5 goes there. 3 and a 4. What's happening now? Oh, we have a 4 there. So no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 3 goes there. Overlooked. 3 and a 5. We have a 3 now. So no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 5 goes there. Finished in 17 minutes. So well pleased with the time. Is this really 4 stars? No. 3 stars? No. Let me give this a 2 stars. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe and hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists for the Tectonic, playlists for the binaries, playlists for the letter Sudokus. I have also a playlist for the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus. A playlist for the heavy, the medium, the light, the killer, the quintuplet, aka samurai Sudoku. All kind of puzzles or Sudokus. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you will find them all those playlists that you want. Thank you again for watching. Take care. Stay healthy and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Monday. We will meet again tomorrow on a Tuesday. Until then, bye-bye for now.